All right. On to the last section, questions 22 and 23. For the compounding periods given below, write a function to represent the balance in Madison's account after T years. Then calculate the balance of the account after 20 years since she's investing $10,000 at a rate of 5% annual compound interest. If we do this yearly, quarterly, monthly, and daily, assuming there's 365 days in the year. Okay, if it's annual, remember that's that 10,000 times 1.05 to the T power. And they want us to do this for 20 years. So we're going to do 10,000 times 1.05 to the 20. She would have $26,532.98 in her account. Quarterly was what we just did on the previous page. This would have been 10,000 times 1.0125 to the 4T. And remember, T is 20, so we got 1,000 times 1.0125 to the 4 times 20. Here, remember, she had $27,014.85. Now, let's recall how we got this piece, because now we have to do monthly. Remember that this was 5% divided by however many times we compound. Well, monthly, there are 12 months in a year, so we would divide by 12. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do 5 divided by 12. That's 416. So I'm going to round that to 417. So we've got 10,000 times 1.00 417. But this time I'm going to raise it to the 12T. Now remember, we're doing this for 20 years. So 10,000 times 1.00417 to the 12 times 20. It's going to be $27,148.02. Now it says assume that there are 365 days in the year. So this time we're going to do 5% divided by 365. 5 divided by 365. So we're going to do 10,000 times 1.000 137, and my exponent's going to be 365T. Now, my question is, do we expect this to be bigger than $27,148, or we expect it to be smaller? So let's take a look. 10,000 times 1.000 to the 365 times 20. $27,183.67. So a slight bit more. A slight bit more. What is the effect of the compounding period on the amount of money in the account after 20 years as the number of times the interest is compounded each year increases? What do we notice? The amount in the account is slightly higher the more times we compound in a year. Because notice, if we only compounded once, it was only 26.5. But as we steadily increased the amount of times we compounded, the amount got smaller and slightly higher and higher, I guess I should have said. Go ahead and get that copied down so we can move on to the vocab match for this section.